Well, let's come back to the computer screen. I've already come back to my computer screen. You can see the Jupyter Notebook opened on my screen. So before going into implementation of codes of various machine learning algorithms like logistic regression, random forests, support vector machines, KNN algorithm like k-nearest neighbors algorithm, neural networks, and etc. Let's summarize the algorithms a little bit. Well, so as in my previous videos, I had discussed about the linear regression machine learning algorithms and decision trees machine learning algorithms as well. So I basically wrote all the codes, like codes for those two algorithms, how to implement those two algorithms on Jupyter Notebook, and I showed those things. Well, now today I will show how to implement codes for other machine learning algorithms apart from those two, like linear regression and decision tree algorithm. I have already written those two codes rather on the Jupyter Notebook. So now let's little bit explain or little bit summarize all these machine learning algorithms. Okay. Well, so machine learning algorithms are computational methods, as you know, that enable machines to learn patterns from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. These algorithms, as you know, can be categorized into several types based on their learning style and application, including supervised learning algorithms, semi-supervised learning algorithms, unsupervised learning algorithms, as well as reinforcement algorithm. So I made a video about those the classifications of those machine learning algorithms earlier on. Now let's talk about a little bit about those things. Okay, so now supervised machine learning algorithms basically learn from labeled data, as you know, as I had already discussed in the previous videos, where each input is associated with a corresponding target output. Supervised learning tasks include classification, predicting categorical labels, and regression, predicting continuous values. Common algorithms include linear regression, as I had already made few videos on linear regression machine learning algorithms previously. Apart from linear regression ML algorithm, there are logistic regression algorithms, decision trees algorithms, random forests, support vector machines or SVM, k-nearest neighbors or KNN, and neural networks. So there are several types of neural networks as well. Now, unsupervised machine learning algorithms, learn from unlabeled data, unlike supervised learning algorithms or data. So, or data where the target output is unknown. Now, unsupervised learning tasks include clustering or grouping similar data points and dimensionality reduction, reducing the number of features while preserving important information. Common unsupervised machine learning algorithms include k-means clustering algorithm. This is very popular, hierarchical clustering. So I had used k-means clustering algorithm in cyber security project earlier on. I can show those things later on. Well, now principal component analysis also is one type of unsupervised learning algorithm, PCA. Now then T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding, TSNE. Now, Gaussian mixture models, GMM, autoencoders as well. Now, semi-supervised learning algorithms combine both labeled and unlabeled data for training. There are some useful semi-supervised algorithms when obtaining labeled and data is expensive or time consuming. Examples include self-training, co-training, and label propagation as well. Now, reinforcement learning algorithms are another type of machine learning algorithm that enable agents to learn optimal behaviors by interacting with an environment. The agent takes actions to maximize cumulative rewards. Key components include the agent, environment, actions, rewards, and policies. Common algorithms include Q-learning, deep Q network, DQN, policy gradient methods, actors critic method. Other specialized algorithms, there are various other algorithms designed for specific tasks or data types, including time series analysis, ARIMA, LSTM, long short term memory, anomaly detection, isolation forest, on-class SVM, recommender system, collaborative filtering, matrix factorization, now natural language processing as well, war embeddings, recurrent neural network RNNs, or transformer models as well. Now, these are just a few examples, and the field of machine learning is continually evolving with new algorithms and techniques being developed. The choice of algorithms depends on factors such as the nature of the data, the problem domain, computational resources, and performance requirements. So, that's 4 types of machine learning algorithms, and I've already given examples of several those types of algorithms as well. Now I will show how to implement those algorithms in the various projects, how to write codes in Python as well. So I will write all those I will write codes in Python, in the Jupyter Notebook, and I will show you people how to write those codes for those algorithms in various projects. So that will help. I hope that will help. Those will help you in various projects. So that's it. Okay, now I will delve into writing the codes for different algorithms. So I had already shown codes, how to write codes for different algorithms, like linear regression and disaggregated algorithms, ML algorithms earlier on in my previous videos. Now today I will start with logistic regression machine learning algorithms. Now, logistic regression machine learning algorithm is one type of supervised learning algorithm that basically learn from labeled data, right, and where each input is associated with a corresponding target output. Right now, this does obviously include classification or predicting categorical labels, and regression predicting continuous values. So now let's write the codes on Jupyter Notebook for logistic regression ML algorithm, right? Okay.